Welcome back, you productivity-loving, clarity-craving, action-taking rock star. I'm your host, Mr. Productivity, and today I'm coming at you with a bold, uncomfortable truth. Consuming productivity tips is like watching videos on how to swim. Eventually, you have to jump in the water. Nothing beats doing. Too many people are stockpiling hacks, tools, and routines, but they're not actually applying them. Today, we're going to call that out. Because if you're serious about creating momentum, it's time to stop collecting and start executing. Let's bounce in. So why do we collect tips instead of taking action? You know what I'm talking about. You're out there researching, watching YouTube videos, reading books, listening to podcasts like this one, and it feels productive, right? But what you're really doing is avoiding the discomfort of doing. Because action is messy. It's unpredictable. You might fail. You might have to get up early. You might have to give up scrolling Instagram. Here's where I drop one of my all-time favorite quotes from the Steve Harvey from Family Feud. You'll never be successful until you get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Boom. There it is. You're not stuck because you don't know enough. You're stuck because you're trying to avoid the part where you actually do something. So let's talk about 3 signs you're stuck in tip collection mode. Number 1, you're constantly, air quotes, researching, but rarely implementing. If your Google Drive has more folders than actions, if your bookshelf is full but your calendar is empty, ding, 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 we have a winner. You think you're making progress, but all you're doing is preparing to start, preparing to think about starting, preparing to maybe take action someday. Consuming content is not the same as creating change. Number 2, you try every new hack for a week and then ditch it. Pomodoro 1 week, bullet journaling the next, time blocking after that. You're playing productivity ping pong, chasing the rush of something new instead of the power of something proven. Real productivity doesn't come from novelty, it comes from consistency. Pick one method, stick with it. Give it time to work before you swap it out for another shiny object. And number 3, you feel overwhelmed by which tip to try first. You've got so many ideas swirling around that you freeze. You don't want to pick the wrong one, so instead you pick none. That's called decision gridlock. You're standing at the buffet of brilliance and starving because you can't choose a plate. You don't need a better buffet. You need to grab a fork and take a bite. Okay, here's what I want you to do today. And if not today, at the latest, tomorrow. Number 1, pick one tip you already know. Just one, and commit to applying it for 7 to 14 days. Now, I want you to pick a number, not 7 to 14 days. You pick a number, 7 days, 12 days, 14 days, but have that number in your head. Number 2, track your experience, not just how you feel, but what's actually happening, what's working, what's not. Number 3, stick with it. Don't bail at the first bump. Give it a chance to settle in. And number 4, focus on consistency over perfection. That's where the magic happens every single time. You don't need a better strategy. You need momentum. Would you like bite-sized clarity, encouragement, and real-world productivity tips that actually help you take action, not just think about it? Subscribe to my Productive Life newsletter at MrProductivity.com, M-I-S-T-E-R, MrProductivity.com. It's free, it's packed with value, and it's built for people like you, people who are ready to do. Now, if this episode gave you a much-needed nudge, here's what I would like for you to do. Number one, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this podcast wherever you're listening. Not only does it make sure you never miss an episode, but it also tells the algorithm, hey, share this with more people who need it. And number two, share this episode with one person, just one, who's stuck in research mode. Be their spark. And above all, remember this, the magic isn't in the tips, it's in the doing. Until next time, my friend, stay focused, stay intentional, and stay bouncy.